There we go. Bam! We're live. How's everybody? I hope you're doing well. Let me just lower the sound on my side part over here. There we go. Do not copy trade. Do not copy trade. We lose money every single trade. You're gonna lose all your money. You do you, I do me. You do your money, I'll do my money. Disclaimer on the screen, you read it. You know, do that. How you guys doing? What's up? Van Team, how you doing? Space Force Major, what's up? BM, it's stamping LFG. Yeah, it is. Bam! We got Mladen in the chat, guys. We got Mladen in the chat. We got lines. We're gonna do well today. Van Team. Vlad is live. Take a sleep, wake up. All is up 30%. Yeah. I slept well, guys. I slept 12 hours last night. I mean, I was so deadly tired. You won't understand. Like 12 hours. You know, I woke up middle and I was like, what time is it? 4. I just went to bed and I continued sleeping. Like it was, I slept like a baby. Babies don't sleep this well. Pop quiz. Where is that line from? Who knows? Yeah, 12 hours. I slept for, that's how, I told you, man, I was really tired. I needed sleep. I went, every time I went out, take 5-minute break, I was like hallucinating, man. I do opposite, you do. Exactly, do the opposite. So, last time we managed to gain $1 on our trade, long Bitcoin, Bitcoin long 10x from 286 to 287. So let's check that out before we move on over here. Let's go to 5-minute time frames over here. So what we did over here is we are trading. I thought this was the bottom, and you see we're pretty close to the bottom, and we entered somewhere up here, actually quite high. We entered somewhere over here. I think on this move over here, or this move, or somewhere else, something like this. But you know, these kind of things are normal, and then it goes towards upside, and this actually happened. And when it was going down over here, we still waited, because this is very normal to get this triple bottom and then go towards upside. The problem over here is that I was so tired. It started looking good because it broke over here. The problem over here, it didn't start pumping, and you know, it could have done another move towards downside. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna close the position. I'm tired, it's too late, and we've been already waiting, I think, for 2 hours for this move over here, you know, to break up and go towards upside, because this move was supposed to do this move was supposed to do this move was supposed to do this, and over here I was like, you know what, it's pretty much, you know, it can go down, and then we have to, you know, I would have to wait again to come back up. This dump over here, you know, continued up here another, you know, 3-4% towards downside, so it was good that we closed the position. So the way I see it, you know, exiting position after that move, you know, it was okay. Unfortunately, it wasn't the bottom itself. So the lesson for that might be that you know, just because you get let's go to 4-hourly time frame. Just because, and over here we had that was just before this candle over here. Just because we have, you know, 17 on the RSI, just because we got these very low levels on the RSI, it does not mean it's bottom. It means it's close. It does not mean it's bottom. That's the most important lesson we can learn from the last trade. And you can see over here, it went down to 12, and right now it's back up at 43. So we were very close, you know, over here to the bottom. And you know, when looking back at it, and you know, this part over here was just pushing it so hard towards downside. But as soon as this actually broke towards upside, it was pretty much over here. So as soon as over here it broke towards upside, you know, and started, you know, rallying towards upside up here, they went another 3-4% towards upside. So also another thing that, you know, we did notice is that the RSI lines do work very well, so we're going to continue using them over here. The problem with Bitcoin right now, and I'm going to show you the big problem with Bitcoin right now, is that it's not quite done yet. It hasn't broken out. So there was this very important channel over here, almost under the DMA. Why are you saying DMA? It's SMA. Oh, it's misspelling. As you see over here, we went into capitulation move. This over here is capitulation move, and right now it's recovering. The big problem, is that this over here was previously a falling wedge, and right now we just at resistance of that falling wedge. So I do expect some kind of move down over here, something like that, before we actually try to test up here. If this just breaks over here towards downside up here, sorry, let's go to 4-hourly. If this just breaks towards downside over here, below these levels over here, it might dump another, you know, major dump towards downside. I'm a little bit unsure whether that's gonna happen or not, because right now, if you see over here on the daily time frame, we just managed to hold the channel, but we did go into the capitulation move. We also see on the volume up here that, you know, there was a huge amount of volume and fear, you know, popping all around. Over here, 287 bucks, we got, that's fine and dandy. Bitcoin fear and greed index, guys. Fear and greed index is right now in fear. Finally, we are getting to the fear and greed. You can see up here ever since I think June 18th. When is June 18th? Over here, people started going into fear, like, oh, you know, all the way down it was fine, but over here people started going into fear once we started breaking these support levels over here. And right now they're actually in pretty much fear, and I would assume they're in pretty much a lot fear right now. So this 1 month, 3 months over here, last 3 months, like this is the lowest we've been right now, 30. 1 year, you gotta go all the way back to 12 September 2023. 12 September. There you go. So these two levels right now, when it comes to fear, we are at the same place. It is the same amount of fear that's been, last time over there. So people are definitely in fear. What we actually like, of course, when you look, this is only 1 year. But if you look at back, lower back there, and before that it was 11 March 2023. So and before that it was 11 March. Down here, right over here. So see, these pivot points come at, these 30 levels. Bruno West Q. Why is Bruno West in yellow over here? Bruno West Q. Let me check that out. I don't know. So we have pretty much in fear. So these, extreme fear levels right now, they are popping up. So he popped down over here. He popped over here just before it blew up. And right now it's popping up again. So are we good? That was the question that I posted up here. Was this it? 65% yes. 33% say no. So there is that. Daily EMA. Yeah. So we got a 200 daily EMA that Milena was actually looking at that we might actually hit. 200 daily EMA. We came very, very close to 200. You know what? 200 EMA is probably, more correct, because, it's emotional, so it gotta be correct. 200. There you go. It's almost there. Almost 200 moving average. Let's go to the 50 over here. 50 is all the way down there. 20, we broke 20. So on the daily, we got nothing beside 200 moving average up here. 2 weeks time frame now, no moving averages down there. Weekly is also right now. So you can see right now that, major support level on the weekly time frame is 61.5, 61.4, and we are right now above that. So yes, we broke through the moving averages over here. Right now we're dumping big time, but oftentimes these are the kind of candles that you look for a recovery. So that's all good and dandy. Unfortunately, on 4-hourly that we are going to trade, and we're going to trade small time frames, but we need to know what's happening on the small time frames, on 4-hourly time frames. This isn't over just yet, guys. Unfortunately, it is not over just yet. And it does look like it's breaking towards upside a little bit over here. Maybe over here. Because this is the first, point up there. Where would I put midline? If I was the midline, I would put midline somewhere over here. This looks nicer. So there is one channel, two channel up here, two channels. Let me put it over here as well. Let me just have to do the half of this one. Yeah, so it's midline over here somewhere. But the more important is the trend over here and the resistance that we're hitting right now. So right now we know that we are at some kind of resistance level over here. Let's go to the daily time frame up here. We got nothing. Let's go to the weekly over here. We got this one down here. We gotta know that. On daily it's back down here, but nothing over here. So moving averages right now are all the way up to the top of channel 60.2 on the daily time frame. So we're gonna look at a little bit. Let's see what's happening over here in this part. It looks like it's channeling. It looks like channeling right now in a channel over here. I don't know if you can see it, but immediately what pops to mind is this over here. And this breaking towards upside is very bullish. On the other hand, this breaking down is bearish. Let's go a little bit higher time frames to see how this actually plays out. No, there are no divergences no move up. Momentum is only going a little bit down, but just consolidating up here. There is also no divergence up here. This is 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we got nothing up here. Bullish cross on the downside over here, but I would say there is a good chance for this to break towards upside. So these channels can actually break towards upside very easily. This channel can actually break towards upside very easily. It is nice. And see up here some kind of button, and then climbed over here up there, retest, retest, and just climbing right now. On the other hand, if we get to the resistance level over here, we can short altcoins, and if we pull back towards downside over here again, we can long altcoins. So those two levels. Bruno West, how you doing, man? Time to sell my position. No, I mean high TLI. The math ain't matting. What kind of math? Danny is in the chat. We good. Now we can go. Okay, let's check out some altcoins and see, you know, does anything look good on the 4-hourly time frame up here? We got a, you know, major curvature over here on Cardano. This curvature up here is curving, which is actually very nice for a dump. We like that. Let's go to 50 minutes time frame over here. Like this looks legitly like, you know, it's gonna dump, right? It's going way too steep towards upside over here, but it's not the top of the channel though. It looks like it's gonna dump, right? Let's look at our volume as well. Do we have any kind of volume over here? There was a little bit volume up here. Still haven't broken down. 66% plus 33 is 99. 1% fee. Yeah, 1% fee. Gotta be something like that, right? A lot of coins are right now, you know, majorly towards upside. So I think we need to short. I think we need to short because we are just trying to catch, you know, 1% move, guys. You know, 1% move up or down. 2%, you know, is good. 1% is good. 2 is like, yeah, we made it. 3% is like, dude, we're rolling. So there is that, right? And we got a 4-hourly close in, we just had 4-hourly close. Wow, we just had 4-hourly close. We got a doji up here at the top. It started going a little bit towards downside. So this over here on Cardano looks very, very nice for a dump. We got a doji up here without any kind of wick. So if it starts going up here again, we can actually short that towards downside because this, you know, it already looks like it wants to drop down. But I would like, you know, to get some kind of wick over here and then move down over here. So some kind of retest, right? And where should that retest be? Let's see 1 hourly over here. Let's go back to 4 hourly. There are 2 lines over here important up here. Resistance up here and a wick up there. We're also gonna put this wick over here. So let me see how this looks on the. Yeah, so this is the big wick over here. Right now it's pulling back down. So I think we're gonna do some kind of, you know, some kind of pullback over here. Not this one. Some kind of pullback over here, something like that. When it comes up here and then short that towards the downside. If it just starts going over here and then goes up there, then that might be short, but you know, we're just gonna wait. We're not gonna short over here. That's for sure. So we're gonna keep on looking at Cardano over here. Let's go to 4 hourly, see how is Bitcoin. Bitcoin just had a 4 hourly close. And Bitcoin did, what did Bitcoin do on 4 hourly? Now just kind of spinning mid candle. I don't know what it is. Still keeps on going. Oh, this looks beautiful for a short. This candle up here is a dump candle, like big wick on downside, you know, up there. But we already know it's gonna go down, and it's been channeling up here. It is some kind of top. Let's see if this can actually go. Maybe we even short Ethereum over here towards downside, right? I mean, it doesn't have to dump that much for a 1%, and if it goes down even more than that, that's gonna be nice. So there will be trade, guys. There will be trade. We just have to, you know, find something at the right time and, you know, take that and make money. That's how this game works, you know, making money. It is at resistance level. Do we have any kind of volume over here for it? Now there was volume on this candle up here, it just didn't pull up. It's still just, you know, zigzagging over here. Double top up here. But it's not dumping. Look over here. It's not dumping. It's just consolidating over here. 5-minute consolidation phase over here. So this tried to break, failed down, go down, double bottom up here. Try to break, cannot break. I mean, I'd be happy taking the short on Ethereum as well. So this is going up a little bit, everything's going up a little bit. Cardano, there we go. Cardano is pulling back into the green. We're gonna wait and see. It's either a long right now, or it's a short at the top. Because if these moves starts breaking towards upside, guys, if these moves starts breaking over here towards upside, we're gonna be effed, man, effed so hard. So we gotta watch the chart until it breaks actually down. Can you check Pepe? Yeah, what is Pepe doing, man? Pepe is on Bybit, 13% up. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Pepe broke my channel towards the upside. Looks good. What are you gonna say, man? It bounced off a 10 moving average, bullish engulfing. Nice. WIF is also up 12% right now. Dogecoin up 7%. Shiba, not so much. We got a Brett up 15% again. Sunday swap. This is a 13% move, guys. This is a weekly. This is a 13% move. Imagine that. Anyways, stuff looks bullish on the daily time frame. Did we hit resistance levels? Nah, we are above that, but you know, we can pull back down a little bit. That's what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. We can pull back down a little bit and then, you know, cross above it. Bitcoin up here has a lot more room to go towards the upside. Ethereum has a lot more room to go towards the upside. So I'm a little bit, you know, scared shorting right now. Look at this 4-hourly above 10 moving average over here. Maybe pulls back and then goes. Who knows? Don't do that. Wife is watching. Today's winner, MKR and BTH. We don't follow BTH and Maker. Maker is kind of altcoin. I've got to change the numbers. So we could just, you know, long this over here. This is Cardano because it's on the bottom of the channel. Because if this channel starts breaking towards the upside, all hell breaks loose, right? On the other hand, I don't have actually that much faith it's gonna break towards the upside, right? But I think it's gonna bounce a little bit. When Dynex is listed in Bybit, I don't know what Dynex is, when Dynex is gonna be listed anywhere. I don't follow coins. Might be consolidation uptrend though. Cardano looks interesting because it has this very nice channel. So the only thing I'm looking at right now is you know, going up there again and then, you know, pulling back. Algorand looks like a dumping candidate right now on 5-minute time frame over here. Wow, it is pulling back harder. It's failing to break up here. Okay, remember what we did? The trend break. Wait for the trend break. This on 1 hour time. 1 hour time we're closing 15 minutes. It already closed below. I think we can short this and you know, be good. 0.36. And you know, if it breaks above the line, then it breaks above the line and we closed. I think we can do a quick move, but you know, I think we need to watch because it's not all the way up, it's over here, but it's getting rejected all the time. I don't want to do the same mistake like we did on Polkadot, where we, you know, saw something and immediately 2 minutes later win our trade. Never doing that again. See here, it's above 10 moving average. It's right now breaking the resistance level. It's only the first move. It's only the 4-hour move, so it should be bullish. But pull back up here could be nice. Yeah, it is very extended on 4 hourly time frame over here. And on 1 hourly time frame up here, it broke the trend towards the downside. And that's sorry wife. Wait for a pullback to finish is better. Yeah, but you can see up here, Cardano is not doing any more pullbacks. Like it's been, you know, zigzagging up here. Like I think people loaded up here at the top. Bitcoin is right now doing nothing up here. It's pulling back a little bit. 15. So about. Let me just go quickly through the coins. Let's assume everything is a dumping candidate. Vintage pump like crazy. Oh, this consolidation over here. I don't want to touch that. Kaspa. This spinning doji up here above the resistance level. It looks too bullish. Don't want to touch that either. Like some of these coins looks very, very bullish. Solana might pull back. Let's see over here. 1 hourly. Right over here. It broke the trend, but it's not dumping over here. Zigzagging pattern up here at the top. Where are the highs? I will continue holding my long. When did you open your long? What coin? Where? Ooh, Theta is up 7%. And just kind of slowly, you know, building up over here. Like it's ETH 3250. Like we gotta check that out. We gotta check it out, man. We gotta check it out. 3250. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's going down. Oh, that's nice. Oh, very, very nice. Congratulations. It is very, very nice. 10x. Ooh, beautiful. I hope you did your, you know, entire account, not just 2%. ETH at 250. 10x. Wow. 180 bucks, but you know, I really don't care how many bucks, because, you know, some people have more, but, you know, others have less. You know, is it full account or just part of the account? You know, because if you did 180, that's your entire account. You know, and you did 10x and you are right now up 30%, like that's golden. There you go. Because a lot of, you know, a lot of people are trading like 2% of their account, because, you know, you should trade 2% of your account, you know, risk management, and then, you know, maybe, you know, try to go for a low leverage, you know, quickly in and out. You gotta do like 1 billion trades before you double your account. Dun, 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 dun. So we wait. How do we figure out, you know? Nah, it's based on support and pullback. I decided to hop in. Support and pullbacks and stuff like that. That's the good stuff. that double bottom on the daily, man. Stuff looks bullish, man. I'm a little bit of, afraid to, ooh, this looks like nice for a long. Alpha Zero looks nice for a long on the daily time frame over here. Alpha Zero looks nice for long. So if you're gonna go long, we take Alpha Zero. Why not? But this zero USDT pipe. Is it on Bybit? No. No, we cannot do Alpha Zero because it's not on Bybit. It's not on Bybit. The only thing that looks bullish is not on Bybit. Chili's looks nice for a dump over here. There's a very nice doji up here. There was no pullback towards the upside over here. I think there might come another one of these, moves up here and then dump. Let's play some trends. I cannot play anything because, monetization, copywriting to material and stuff like that. So I have to play this in the background. Because this is the only thing that's not copyright. I do have some non-copyright news, but it's not trends. It's not trends. Oh, this looks nice for a long. Can we long this? CFX. Let me go up to 4-hourly time frame. Oh, this looks nice. Sitting on support level. Both support and resistance. Phantom is pushing down like crazy, man. Minus 3%. What? Because it hit 20 moving average right now, pulling back. Weekly time frame over here. I don't think we should focus on the weekly time frames too much right now on coins. Oh, Kaspa looks bullish on the weekly. Oh, that's juicy. Bullish engulfing above the. Did it go above the resistance over here? Yeah, it got above the resistance. Pull back. Try the dump. Climb. Right now, climb. This looks bullish. Let's see how this looks on the 4-hourly. Yeah, it looks good. If this thing ever pulls back, like you know what? You know what we got? You know what we're gonna do to this? Oh man! Oh man! If it ever gets to the support level, it's done. There's kind of a falling wedge up here that broke towards upside, still pushing down. There is this channel over here right now. This kind of getting broken, but this one up here seems to be a little bit more zigzaggy. Kind of already broke. Stuff looks bullish and I want to short. Imagine me being crazy. How is that possible? Bitcoin is not dumping. Ethereum is pushing up. Cardano is holding the support level. Should we just go long? I mean, we are on the bottom of Cardano. Let's adjust the lines because we like to adjust the lines all the time. Where is the correct channel? I mean, the first one is all the way up here. Let me see over here. You might be saying, hey man, what you doing with that those lines on the RSI? Yeah, we pro. We Mladen gang doing the RSI lines. But I see nothing on the 5-minute time frame up here. Maybe this doji over here. Maybe we should just long the doji. This might be just the move. You know what? I think the doji might be okay. Still 10 minutes over here on the doji. 5 minutes you might get a doji over here. I don't want to place my trade on a doji. That wouldn't be nice. We gotta do something else, right? We gotta find something that interests us enough and we cannot say no to, you know, you know, when your wife makes schnitzel like Mai did today, and I already ate today, so I was kind of, but you know, it's schnitzel with fries, you cannot say no. We gotta find something like that. We gotta find something so juicy that we cannot say no. System to trade natural gas, a massive trade running, wanna share the idea. Do I have a system? Does it look like I have a system? Does it look like I know what I'm doing? Let's take a 5-minute break. Guys, I think we got a long Cardano. This doesn't... Yeah. I'm gonna look at... Don't copy trade me. I just thought about something. There is this guy on the internet I know. I mean, he's on YouTube. And, you know, I don't actually know him, but, you know, he has a channel. And he's like, I don't know what I'm doing, you know, but support I long, resistance I short, you know. And, you know, it works out for him. And I think we get along. And especially because of this box over here. And I think Cardano just might do this move over here, get these people out, and then go down. And that's gonna be a move of something like, you know, wow, only 75%. That's not enough. Maybe it goes low, higher. It already did the week up 67%, out in range. Major resistance levels over here, but it's breaking these resistance levels. Algorand is also pulling down to the support. You long, I short. Let's wait for 2 more minutes to see how this candle is gonna play out. We already got some kind of doji up here, not doji, but some kind of box over here, which is not nice. Do you know what you're doing? No, I don't. I have absolutely no idea. But sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, what am I waiting for? It's not that volatile, so Bingo trader, exactly. You got it right, man. Why not, huh? But it's already breaking down. Like, how can we do that? Woman. Yeah. I don't know if I mean, you're new to the channel, but I'm very, very emotional when it comes to trading. That's why I don't trade. But we do it for entertainment. Some people are like, look at me, I'm the #1 pro trader, with millions and my Bugatti, and I'm here like, I'm gonna go short. What am I gonna do? Bullish, bearish, pull back down over here. I mean, there's so little data up here on second time frames, nothing like USDT pipe. I'm looking at Bitcoin at 15 minutes time frame. 1 hour there. 30 minutes gonna close now. Double doji on 30 minutes. 30 minutes doesn't matter. 15 minutes. Mighty 0.5%. Exactly. We are doing it for it. We are emotional. That's our ape brain at work. We need to learn and fix it for trading screen. I cannot fix that. So, I figured out, it's not about the money. It's about entertainment. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? This entire, like over here, it was nice, and then its entire move towards upside, like consolidating. It's breaking up here towards upside. We got a bullish cross up here a little bit. Nothing can change up here. Ooh, good thing we didn't long. But you cannot short it down there, right? So you know, over here you cannot short, but you know you can long. But you know, good thing. Turning a stream where I should be asleep. When you should be asleep, it's only 10:30 p.m. In India, it's 2 a.m. India is not 2 a.m. You cannot have 2 a.m. Wait, plus 6 hours. 4 hours. Is India only 4 hours away? Time zones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, actually it is. Look at that. India is actually only 2 hours away. No, 4 hours away. India. But ugly line. You know. But ugly line. 50 moving average down here. Bitcoin still not doing anything, just zigzagging a little bit over here. This is still pushing down. We wait until, you know, confirmation. Confirmation. By the time it's confirmed, it's already down like 20%. No confirmation. Remember this one. Remember this bad trade. Let's remove the lines. Oh man. Like there is no upper wicks, there is not. Like over here, double top up here, pulling back down a little bit over here. Maybe some kind of bull flag over here. No, it's not bull flag. What are we gonna do? We wait. Like the pros we are, we wait. Ooh, that's sexy. Oh, this is sexy. Oh, that's nice. And 1 hourly over here. How are we doing on a 1 hourly? Like this over here is very bearish. Still haven't broken down. Ooh. Holy jolly. CFX. I think we got CFX on Bybit as well. Don't we have CFX? CFX. Yeah, we got a CFX on Bybit. We can do Bybit. We can do CFX as well, if needed. Good evening, TLA and everyone else. Pyro, Italy. How you doing, man? Italy, Croatia, 1-1. Why don't you like Bitcoin? It's one of the best coins available. Probably will go to 10k. Forks, man. Forks. Do you want me to tell you why I don't like this? Do BCH USD. Do we have a bigger chart? Yeah. This is why I don't like, and this isn't anything to do with BCH or Bitcoin Cash or any other coin. It's just, you know, chart in general. You got a bear market bottom. Let's not even put this over here. I mean, technically over here, there is, you know, it's still holding up, but it comes back down. You know, this might be an overextension up here. This is bear market bottom up here. Look at this, you know, after consolidation phase up here. Let's say over here. Look, this is ugly. This is ugly. This is very ugly. A good chart has some kind of bottom, bull market, and bear market don't go down to the entry point, don't go over here, and very bad charts go back to the bottom, and very, very bad charts go even down lower than that. Not only that, look at a pump, man. Look at a pump over here. This is the pump. Look at this pump, look at that pump. A good chart doesn't do these kind of moves. You know, that's not a good chart. It just looks bad. I show you another even worse chart. EOS. This is the bear market bottom of EOS. Look down here. It's just ugly. It is the most ugly chart ever. This goes all the way up to 20 bucks or something like that. Maybe even 22, 24 or something like that. This came only to 14. It's ugly chart. That's what I like BCH. By the way, you are distracting me from the 1 million. Don't do that. Long Solana. Ooh, maybe. Nah, Solana looks a little bit too dirty for me. It's consolidating up here at the top still. NIR is dumping. I mean, if I should, like, didn't we say, like, if this chart comes down to the bottom, we're gonna long this heck of this. I don't think it's gonna come down to the bottom because just managed to get above the midline over here. So we wait. Unfortunately, guys, but you are watching live trading, and this is live trading. We said it, I think, every single episode. Watching the chart is trading. Clicking the buy and sell button takes like 2 seconds. 4 hours of watching the charts, and then, you know, 3-second trade. Or long Bitcoin Solana. Ooh, that's interesting. I haven't checked that. Bitcoin Solana. So who do you think it's gonna... But can you long pairs? You cannot BTC Sol. There's no such thing BTC Sol. Cardano went into capitulation move down here. Let's see if I'm in time frame over here. This 1 minute. Sol BTC. But it's only spot. But it's 5x spot. But we only do 10x. Kobus, how you doing, man? Nice to have you here. 20 minutes to 1 hourly close. 4 hourly is not going to happen. And this already pulled back too much. Already had this week on the upside. It looks like you're going to drop more down. I don't know, to be honest with you. This week up here, like, it didn't come, you know, even to the box up here. I think it might go to the box. I think it might go to the box. You never know. It might go to the box. Right now, if it goes up here, like, we got a 1% if it goes up. Bitcoin though. Bitcoin's holding nicely, curving a little bit towards the upside. These are the most obvious shorts, right? These from these, you know, resistance on the channel towards the downside. These are more obvious shorts. Right now, everybody sees the channel. Right now, everybody sees the channel. So everybody's shorting. Everybody sees, you know, a rising channel, and everybody is afraid to long. already retest that on there. There are actually two very important lines on Bitcoin over here. This is the one, give or take. Maybe it's all the way up there. Maybe something like this, give or take. And this one over here. So if you look at the channel over here, it's coming there. And we got a nice channel, downtrending channel over here. Should break down. I want to go long on this thing over here. I don't know, call me crazy. This doesn't look bullish at all. This looks actually very bearish. Just pushing it down. It's on the support down here. It's down a trending channel. There is no significant support levels down here kicking in. $50 minutes left. 3 hours. Some kind of why is it not no I'll hit the like button, guys. It's below the video. Good fortune favors the one who hits the like button. But now we hit both. Atoms at support. AVAX, anchor. Anchor is really steep. Listen, you think everything should drop down. And it just doesn't. Can't be this one. Can't be this one either. There'll be something to do with this over here. Maybe the bottom line somewhere. How does this go? It goes up here. Goes down there. That's midline. This stop line. Double the channel down. Broke down. See, channel over here. Broke that. Channel over there. That's the channel. Cardano dump of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not dumping today. Stock close soon. What does stock have to do with Bitcoin or Cardano dumping? Yeah, Bitcoin broke down. CF is only one right now at the resistance levels over here. Let's short CFX at resistance. How much is upside over here? 0.3%. But there is a doji up here and there is closing 9 minutes. And Stock SP run holding Bitcoin high. I haven't watched actually stock charts in a while, man, and I have them over here, but oh, this looks this is 10 minutes time frame, doesn't matter. Wow, would you look at that, man? Remember when we were watching, you know, S&P 500 all the way down over here and saying how, you know, this is breaking towards the upside over here. And we're saying over here like, it could do this and the breakdown, and it starts over here. If it breaks up, it's good, and then it goes up here, and then there was support over here, and we were talking like, you know, but this move over here, like this bottom over here, just breaking, you know, trading the bottom is like 40% up. Wow, TFX is so much down on the small time frames over here. Daily. Oh, it looks bullish though. It looks so bullish, you know, and I don't want to touch bullish stuff. So, but it could have a pullback though. It broke even this towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still not pumping. Let me see where the bigger resistance level is. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. This looks like you know, this looks like polka dot. You enter ADA already? Not yet. Making the cheese. What is cheese, man? This looks nice though. Let's go a little bit back, and then we have this. It's just too nice. It can look into break that support level. Good thing we didn't long Cardano. It looks squishy. It looks very, very squishy. Good thing we waited. Like, waiting is okay. So I can take the opposite trade. Regardless, don't copy trade me in my direction or opposite direction. Neither direction is good. Best trade to do when I'm trading is to not do a trade. What have been the theta? Like right now, it's down like 40-50%, if not more. From the top more is 65% down. No, yeah, like over here, like see these bottoms over here and see these bottoms over here. You know, these are this is like 10x or so, or more, or something like that from the bottom, right? 26x. It's good, man. I like theta because it did 26x from the previous one. From this bottom to this bottom is 26x. I like that. I like that. But yeah, it's pulled down by, you know, by a whole bunch. It broke the trend over here. Actually didn't. It's sitting on the trend. Nice. Phantom is also very, very bullish coin. It's also went, you know, I don't know how much over here. From the bottom to over here, it went like 10x or something like that. Any coin that does 10x from bear market to bear market, you know, it's good in my book. Over here, did we actually break it down? Take that. Sitting on the support. Sitting on the support. How much is that the resistance over here? 0.3%. It looks bullish. I don't want to touch because it looks bullish. And it's not on the bottom. What do we say we're gonna KDA? Kaspa. Might take a little while. But Bitcoin is not dumping through the support. I mean, it is right now. It's consolidating. Still pushing back hard. With this candle here. This over here broke. That is a slow mover, don't touch it. But we like slow. We like very, very slow. Yes, we do the opposite trades. Stop. Do you like memes like Wojak, or is a chart a chart? No, actually, I like meme. Chart is not. Chart is a chart, but memes have more pumpamentals. So yeah, I like memes. I have nothing else. Short on Ethereum. I'm not like just you know. Nice. How can you trade the breakout, man? How can you trade the breakout? Breakout traders. Maybe I should become a breakout trader, guys. If you get a dodge up here at the top, like... it looks bullish, like... How can we touch this, man? How can we touch that something that looks bullish? Look at the curvature over here. Bitcoin is moving down, but it's not moving down fast enough. Bitcoin is like sitting on this support level. We are too focused on small time frames when it comes to, you know, breakouts and stuff like that. Probably 3 hours left. Sitting just on support level up here on the midline. Let's do this. Sorry about that. Yeah, this looks better. Cardano still pushing it down. Just bleeding down, no pumps. CFX looks bullish. I don't wanna like. But it does look like it's gonna drop over here in small time frames though. It doesn't have to drop that much either. And it moves so slow that you can exit the trade if needed be. And Bitcoin is pulling back down. and CFX. Right. Why is this doing this move down here at the bottom? And squeeze down there. CFX. CFX. A short-term thing. CFX USDT buy with I mean this channel on CFX over here is very legit though. Maybe go something like this over here because it wants to pick up these lines over here. These wicks. All the way up there. But this line over here is most important right now. Is this one? Or this one? Move so slow. This entire move from the bottom to top like 71%. I think I want to do CFX. No, it's not. How much up? 12.02. We're gonna risk 2%. Wait for it. First of all, Cardano is still down. ADA is doing the thing where it dumps. CFX, it is bullish though. Why not Bitcoin? Nah. Bitcoin, Schmidtcoin, I don't know. I don't know. It has resistance level. If it goes up, one hourly closing in. Did we have just 1 hourly close? We just had a 1 hourly close, bullishly up here. I mean, you cannot short that right now. Did you just say that 1 hourly close on everything? Man, the time flies. This didn't actually break the resistance level, sorry, support. It coming right now to the support. It's hitting that, sitting on the support level over here on 1 hour time frame. 4 hourly time frame up here, just pulling still back. Where Cardano looks weak though. Just keeps on breaking down. Just long CFX. Here I'm sitting, I want to short and you're longing. You guys have no faith in me. You guys have literally no faith in me. How can you long at the resistance? That's what I'm asking. But you know, him longing at resistance is probably gonna gain like, you know, $2,000 on that trade. Yeah, it's breaking resistance, doji, breaking again towards upside, pulling up. Like it looks bullish. CFX looks bullish. Like this is curving, man. This is curving. And it does look bullish. I mean, best case scenario is it goes down a little bit over here. But that's not enough, right? There's some kind of volume in this 5-minute time frame over here. Buy resistance. See, it looks bullish here. Nah. It's not the resistance we want to buy. It's 5-minute resistance, not the thing that we want to buy. You know, maybe top of the channel up here. You know, maybe we, you know, up there. 4% up. $1 profit. You doing, man? You doing it? Let's take a break. I need to think. What am I gonna do? We've been streaming for 1.5 hours, so you know, we're good. We got a cold pizza from Domino's. So, you know, food is food. We gotta eat life. Sorry about that. Ah, it's okay. Oh, the projection. Are you gonna trade? Nah, not yet. We're just looking. We're just looking. Feeling. Looking and feeling. .17%. Cardano bleed enough. But no way it's gonna recover that much though. It's a dump. Yeah. No, per Victor. It's not a necessity, but Bitcoin stopped a little bit over here. We got 1 hourly close down there. Pushing it sideways over here. Maybe he wants to break out. Every time I think, you know, Cardano might do some magic, it doesn't. At least some things went up for a short. But Cardano is just bleeding slowly. Let's wait for Cardano. I need to stop changing these. Oh, got rejected so big time. What's Ethereum doing? It's weird. Cardano seems so weak. At the same time, TFX seems so strong. And Bitcoin is just not moving. Like literally no movement. Yeah. But this is 4-hourly time frame, so you know, it has room to go down. That's all I'm saying. So this over here. See, it looks bullish. There were dumps, but it looks bullish. On the other hand, 10 minutes doji, 50 minutes closing, 8 minutes, 5 minutes doji as well. And still no pumps. See? The bullish stuff continue. See here, 50-minute time frame, doji, and still continues going towards upside. This thing is crazily bullish. Some kind of triple top. Keep on seeing. If XC can bounce, I'm not sure that. How big was this move from the open to close? 3%. I'm not touching this because too late long, and right now it's breaking out. So, and we are not breakout traders. So there is that. What kind of traders are we? We the kind that lose money. Bitcoin 6-month close in is imp should hold 57. Feel doing good. Nice, nice. CFX. Sorry, but he said Bitcoin 6 months. Did we have 6 months close? Closing in 5 days. Yeah, it's a nice candle for 6 months, but you know, on 3 months we got 2 candles. Just a small pullback over here. 60k. And the next one on 3 months is all the way down to 47. I don't think we're gonna hit that. Monthly time frame still holding up there though. Still 5 days on the monthly candle, but you know, we just need a little bit above 60.5k and we gotta we got something. How much can this thing bleed? Seems this much. I learned my lesson before. I just keep on looking. How's Casper doing? 3.5. Yeah, Angel looks also bullish. Tron is slowly going up. 2% up here. This is a 1 hourly candle. But it's going very slowly. It's pumping, but very, very slowly. RS Tablecon today, yeah. No, it's been moving down very, you know, steadily. Huh. Where do you put this line though? It's gonna break the trend over here. Always coming to the resistance. Not taking out resistance, but it's curvature thing. Bullish engulfing on 15 minutes time frame. We don't want to see that. Yeah, I'll go 15. That's a bullish signal. And also bounced on the top, bottom of the channel as well. Bottom of the channel, bottom of the small channel up here, everything bottom up here. But oh, it's 0.5% down. It is a little bit volatile though. But everything is going very steeply up here in these channels up here, like. I mean, once you have a trend, like this trend can persist for a while. This failed. One hour equals 30. Just pulling back. I don't know how everything is gonna pump if Bitcoin doesn't. Right, so I'm looking at Bitcoin over here, and I don't know how this thing is gonna pump. Well, life. Chilies. Let's short chilies, why not? We already want to short, so why not? But it would be nice if there was some kind of volume candle. Over here there was a volume candle on this. CFX is, I don't know why I'm looking at CFX. I just want to know what it does. Everything is just ranging. It's so boring. No excitement. I don't want to go too fast, but a little bit speed is nice. I'm almost done eating, guys. It's cool, it's cool. because there is no obvious short or obvious long. Let's see some other coins that we haven't checked out. XRP. XRP to the rescue. Like, it's not doing anything, man. Entire move is not even 1%. BCH. EOS, no. Ondo. Boston is up 16%. Rio 7.3. Litecoin. The Graph. Avi. Sand, Mana, Ape, NG Coin, Alice, Super, Gala. Then 5,100x Bitcoin, a lot of excitement. But if it doesn't move, where is the excitement? We gotta watch 1 second charts. Even 1 second chart are boring. Oh, that's exciting 1 second chart. Short Ape on resistance. Like, you're probably looking at 2 big time frames because, you know, stuff is definitely at resistance, might be at big time frames, but ooh, where is this channel from? But I don't like this, you know, bullish move above the resistance levels, and then you go into discuss. I don't like these moves. Too short. Doesn't this look bullish to you, man? Let me do it like this over here. Maybe you'll see it. You know? I don't know. For hourly definitely looks bullish. No, I don't want that short. If you just short a Cardano up here somewhere, right? We'll be down 0.40%. CFX broke down 5 minutes up here. Just pulling back. APA raining tokens every week, 4%, something like that. See, that's what's gonna mess people up. Stuff will start pumping and people will be like, no, it cannot go up. They are raining tokens. Well, well, BNB is hitting some resistance, but this is bullish, this is bullish. Probably close up there. doesn't want to drop though. It says drop a whole bunch if he wants to do that. What are you exactly looking for? I don't know. I'm looking for something that gives me confidence to long or short. But there are no strong moves. And I'm unsure what Bitcoin wants to do. So it's really hard to figure out. Like this is at resistance, right? BNB. But it's gonna dump down over here like, you know, a whole bunch. Let's see over here. Maybe you can just short BNB. Let's move over here. I mean, just sitting up there at resistance, like 4 hourly doji up here, unless 8 hourly. 4 hourly already closed. How much is upside over here? 0.2. $15-minute doji. If it goes up over here, we just close it, right? Okay, excitement. And we just broke the first rule of trading, guys. We just broke the first rule of trading. No, the second rule of trading. Do not trade a coin after looking at it for 2 minutes. But you know, for entertainment. And it's also gonna watch the one, this 15-minute. Why is there no 15-minute doji over here? There's no 15-minute doji on Bybit. What am I looking? This is Binance. On Binance there was a doji. Over here there is no doji. But 4 hourly does look bearish enough. So in the next 2 hours, if you don't drop, then I don't know. So we're long. I mean, one of us is gonna be right if you're long. Okay, pizza is done. Nothing is moving, guys. Nothing is moving. Hopefully we can get, you know, get it going in our direction. So if it doesn't move, it's okay. At least, you know, we are good. Of course, all the way down to the week though. 61. We gotta drop pretty heavily to our downside, which I don't think is gonna do that. So we're just gonna take the profit on whatever thing we can. $2, $2. Right now we cannot even cover the fees yet. The fees are gonna wreck that account. 5-minute break. Yeah, 5-minute break. Now we wait. Broke down through 50 on 5 minutes, which is nice. Pullback trying to get back up. Bitcoin getting rejected a little bit on 5 minutes. Failed to get out of the channel. So far so good. But I seriously thought I saw a doji up here, but there was no doji on Bybit. But it was on Binance. There is no volume right now. It's Tuesday and there is no volume. Imagine that. This thing just keeps on crapping the pants towards the downside. Never even reached even close up there. While we are waiting, did the trend break or is it about to break? Where it starts? Starts move, starts down here. Oh, there is a good chance. Doji up here, bearish doji, it goes down. Good. The further we pull from the line, the better. Wow, it's only 0.4% move. 0.6. We gotta dump like big time over here if we want some kind of gains. So I think we need to hold it open for a while. But at least we have profit since we entered, you know, over here. So far so good. We can cover half of the fees. We can cover half of the fees. $50-minute support over here broke or breaking. And then we got a support over here right now, breaking that as well, going below 20 moving average. 16 seconds left. Full candle to full candle. Look here, look at this candle over here right now. Look here. Wait, 3 seconds left. Look at it right now. 1 second left. Look at this candle. No bottom week. There is no bottom week, but there is no upper week either. There is no week. Nice, the all has liked the live. Yeah, but you know, we already had 313 people here and only 13 likes, so I don't know. Bitcoin decided to do the move. No, this Cardano. But Bitcoin decided to do the move again. But we liked it slow. We liked it slow. But you can see up here, I mean, it failed to, you know, it closed above 10 moving average, you know, failed to get above that. Right now, just going up here a little bit. No, there should be a midline over here somewhere. There we go. Yeah, let's go to bigger time frames up here. There was major resistance over here. $36. It's moved so slow. It's not just slow. It's painfully slow. My Pepe trade got stopped, but got back in. Has broken out. Looks nice. You know what we should do next time? We should go and look at the volume. Like Solana, Pepe, VIF, Dodge, Popcat. What is Popcat and why is up 30%? We should trade, you know, these big volume coins because they probably move. Solana is moving. Let's check out Solana. Do Bitcoin futures more volatility? See, it's moving. Breaking. Nah, we like slow and steady, just like our account. Slow and steady. You know, from 227 to 287, 60 bucks in 12 days. Slow and steady, guys. Slow and steady wins the race. Is that what I say? We are not looking for, you know, 100x, 30x moves. Bitcoin decides it's time to move again. 1 hourly doji, I didn't even see this. But there's no bottom wick. 4 hourly. BNB pushing up. Look at that. Then I guess waiting for a millennia to reach a million. Yeah, something like that. But you know, I said it a couple of streams ago. It's not about reaching million. It's about entertainment. I mean, I don't know what kind of entertainment it is. It's been 2 hours and 22 minutes, and you know, we've been going kind of sideways and just watching the charts, and you know, 2 seconds clicking the buttons. Right now in opposite direction, unfortunately. And we are losing more than fees. 6 bucks down. Pumping. Why is Bitcoin pumping? Bitcoin is the dump. This 1 hourly doji up here. Entertainment. Million is entertainment. Nah, this is entertainment. Wow, that bullish candle, man. Bullish engulfing in 15 minutes. Yeah, we waited 2.5 hours. You can wait a little bit more. If I'm guessing right, this thing also started moving. Yeah, I think we're gonna close the trade. We're gonna wait 9 minutes. Hopefully this doesn't pump like this over here, because we are already underwater, something like, you know, 0.10%, 1.2%, something like that. And we don't want to do that. Come on, bearish candle, the red candle. Go, boy, go. You can do it. Below the 20. My long is in green. You longed against me? What did you long, man? I want to know. Look at the volume on the pump. There was no volume. On the dump there is so high volume. Look here, like on the pump there is like no volume. and on dump immediately, you know, everybody's shorting. There we go. Come on, you can do it. Red spinning dodgy stuff on the bottom, and then continue red. I mean, it is very normal because we hit major level resistance, everybody's shorting that. Bitcoin is pumping though. Cardano is not doing that well. Bitcoin is like going. Solana, not so much. Ape. Also hitting the resistance level. Nah, we'll see. But you know, some kind of volatility is kicking back in though. I mean, it's been going very, very slowly until now, and as soon as we enter the trade, volatility kicks in. Six minutes left. 1 minute of 5 minute candle. You're a trade, broker place upside trade, hit your stop loss. But you know, it's $200, man. Do they really care about me? Do they really care about me so much that they want me, you know, that they want, you know, my 200, you know, my fees? They want $6. I don't think they care that much about me. They might care about somebody else, but I don't think they care that much about me. $50-minute pumping on a BNB. Can you imagine that? Some kind of resistance somewhere. Why not open your trades with limit orders so they were free on Bybit? I don't know. Are they free on Bybit? I don't think they are free on Bybit. Maybe they are free on Bybit. Maybe we should do that. Maybe we should, you know, save the money on fees. Bybit fees perpetual. Well, we are probably something like VIP 0, taker fee, maker fee 0.1, perpetual futures and crochet 0.05, 0.2 maker fee. So taker is, you know, but maker is still 0.02, it's not free. I mean, if you want it free, you gotta go all the way down to, you know, Pro 3, Supreme VIP. I don't think I'm there. Not free, still less. I'm on a different exchange where the market maker is free. Yeah, some exchange got you know, free market maker. We should just short the Cardano. Cardano always goes down. We literally shorted the bottom. How is that impossible? What did I miss? Still 1 hour and 47 minutes left. Be ready, guys. I start option trading in India. Marketing gave 1,002 trading fees in just 2 months. What? Trade is totally going against us, like literally, like bullish engulfing candle up here towards the resistance levels, but it's still towards the resistance levels, so you know, there's that. But this bullish engulfing candle, so, and it's on 15-minute time frame, 1 hourly time frame up here, getting up there. Do we have any kind of awareness or anything like that? Like momentum is being lost over here, entire part. This hasn't broken down just yet. How much can we suffer? $4, 5, $8, something like that. 40-second and 5-minute time frame. 15 minutes closing in 32 seconds. 5 minutes, 1 minute. There's no break in the trend though. So we gotta do it like this over here, and you know, negative funding on BNB, short squeeze. Ooh. I don't wanna look at, you know, funding, where is funding rate over here? Funding rate, yeah, negative funding rate. Funding fees will change. 1 hour and 44 more minutes. So after 4 hourly close, that's daily close. It's 12:15. We've been trading, looking at charts for 2 hours and 34 minutes. OB Digital, how you doing, man? As you can see, we're not doing good, man. Long time, hi. I'm doing well, but the chart is not doing well. We are down by 0.80%. What do you eat to grow the beard so fast? It's not fast. I mean, maybe it's a little bit fast. It's genes, man. There is nothing to do with it. Which trade is open now? BNB short, unfortunately, doesn't go in our favor, and we have 1 hour and 43 minutes until the 4 hourly candle opens. 1 hourly up here closed bearishly, but then he exploded towards upside on 50 minutes, just exploding through the roof. Just long on BNB. Unfortunately, we are not. See? Short entry. The problem is if this breaks resistance over here right now, then we can have major moves. CFX USDT. You could already been done with the trade, man. I'm leading long, nice. Place 2 trades same time, long and short, which one stop loss doesn't hit carry. Let me call the wasted dump it. Yeah, do that, man. I need any kind of help. Bitcoin 62.2, 64.2 till the order block in 4-hour chart, which has not yet been tested yet. Good, 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 good. I'm out. Probably out of the resistance, but you know, this 1 hourly is breaking literally everything. It's not hourly. This hourly, 40 minutes left. Nah, the trade failed, man. The trade failed. Best case scenario, we get our short entry and we exit the trade. Best case scenario. Well, it's at the resistance level, so. They said Bitcoin will hit the resistance 62 to 86, then you can open short. Who are they? I don't trust they. Yo, new here, what's your trading model? There is no trading model. We look at the charts and then we are like, this looks good for a short, or this looks good for a, and we just go long and short. I don't have any kind of strategy or any kind of system. There is resistance, we shorted. There is support, we long that. And unfortunately, we shorted the support. Trust me, I'm done with trusting people. I've been in this space since 2016, I don't trust people. You don't understand how many times people have been on my channel. Trust me, I know. I know how this, works, Trust me. Nah. We are emotional traders. Trust me, bro, Trace, yeah. I'm not people, I'm trends. Nah. I'm done with that stuff, man. Learn my lesson, 50 times over. I'm done. I don't trust people. We trust you. Don't trust me. If you trusted me right now, you would be down by 0.2%. Trust me, I'm a market maker. The job of market maker is just add the liquidity to the market. They are not the one that, move the price up and down. Are we shorting BNB? I am shorting BNB, unfortunately, but it's not my best trade. We long, not down. That's why I longed. See, I short and people long and they make money. I mean, this is Sheldon the Sniper all over again. You remember Sheldon the Sniper when he had that 410 million trading challenge? People just counter trade him, and it will work out. Nah, I'm done. Like it just isn't dropped. Like 3 more minutes over here on the resistance level, and it just isn't dropping. and it's gonna explode and you're gonna get everybody out. I'm sorry, guys. $6 plus fees, $10 loss. Unfortunately. PNL minus $10. Yeah, $4 fees, $5 fees. Imagine that. Day 13, 2015, 6, 25, 6, no, 26, 6. Didn't we trade yesterday? 24, maybe it's because it was late, I don't know. BNB, short 10x, 287, right now sitting at 277, minus $10. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I always say it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I need to care more. I need to be more like, you know what? I need to care. But, you know, some days you have bad trades. Other days you have good trades. You know, write 25. 25 what? How can I write 25? It is terrible trade. You're not here for money, you're here for fun. Exactly, I'm here for entertainment. So as long as there is entertainment, you know, we're good. That said, you know, entertainment doesn't, you shouldn't last, you know, 3 hours. But, you know, it does last 3 hours. See, you know, as soon as I close my position, you know, it goes down. Regardless, you know, this is gonna continue up towards as well. You know, I still believe in the short. Yada yada yada, maybe we need to wait more and stuff like that, right? But unfortunately, you know, we opened the short at the wrong time, it went against us. You know, you gotta take the loss. You gotta take the loss because, you know, good you know, habits, stuff like that, right? Because one time you will think, if we had let this go and this goes in profit, you know, next time we might be like, you know what, last time it worked out well, so, you know, we're just gonna let it go, and then explodes towards the upside and you're down like 50% on account, right? So good habits. We're gonna call it good habits, and, you know, this is a good habit, right? Trading rules number 3: have good habits. Right, have good habits. That's good. That's good. So, you know, we're gonna stick with that. We're gonna stick with that, and, you know, we're gonna say that, you know, it's a successful trade because, you know, we learned something, and it's okay. It's okay. You know, that's life. But there will be another trade tomorrow, and day after that, and day after that. As long as we have money in the account, guys. As long as we have money in the account, and we have money in the account, we can trade, we can improve, we can start doing another thing. By the way, guys, if you want to show me your trades, or you want to, you know, post charts, you're welcome to join our public Telegram channel. Hit the like button on the way out, subscribe to the channel to get notifications and all of that shebang. And I'll see you again tomorrow, guys, hopefully with a better trade. But it's been so boring, gotta admit, like today the movement of the price was very, very boring. And I even started the, you know, stream like half an hour before the 4-hourly close, because I thought, like, you know, we're gonna have now, we can watch the charts and then we're gonna get a 4-hourly close, and then, you know, something's gonna happen. Zero volatility after 4-hour close. So if you look over here on Bitcoin on 4-hourly, you know, this is the close. This is the close at 6 o'clock, and sorry, this is the yeah, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Where is it? Over here. This is the, where do we start? You know, over here somewhere, right? 8, 9, like over here, somewhere like it literally has the same place. Like it didn't move. Bitcoin didn't move. Bitcoin didn't move. So there's that. One team. Check BBUSDD. I'm done. I'm done for today. 25/6, the date. Which date? 25, not 26. Now it's 26 because, you know, time zones. I'm in a different time zone than you. It's 26 today. On my, but you know what? We're gonna say 25 because, you know, it's, you know, yesterday, technically speaking, right? Yesterday. So we're gonna write 25 over here. And tomorrow is gonna be 26 because after 12, it's right now 12:26 over here. So there is that. Where are you from, bro? Norway. We're from Norway. That's how retail traders feel. You are showing it live. Well, you are witnessing a live retail. You know, our title should be live retail trader. losing money. Do sleep hypnosis today. Sleep hypnosis. Like yawning, nah, you should go to sleep. I'm a long position, entry by 578. Nice. Thank you, live. I'm closing it. It is falling short. I don't know how it's doing, and you know. See, we closed at exact top, guys. We closed at exact top. Like, this is the perfect retail trade. You open down here, and then, sorry, maybe we open here. Where did we open the trade? We open the trade over here, right? Open over here, open the trade, and then close it all the way up top there, Like, retail deluxe. Guys, I'm not a trader. That's why I always say in the start of the channel, don't copy trade me. Don't think, like, you know, I know what I'm doing. Like, I can draw nice lines on the, you know, weekly time frame and I'm not invested. But, you know, when emotion starts taking over, you know, these 5-minute moves, I think I would be do better if you just did, like, you know, weekly moves or something like that. Bogdan is country trading you. You're Norseman, my Viking. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I'll see you around. God damn, just go up so I feel better. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Same time, same place.